Hello everyone, my name is Supika Sri from 2C class. Let us play A to Z word game.
Rupika, now I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to answer for them. First, I'll be asking the questions and you will be answering the answers which are starting from the alphabet A. Okay?
First question. A book of map is called?
Atlas.
Who makes the plan of a house?
Architect.
It is a mathematical instrument which has beads and is used for calculations.
Abacus.
Rupika, now you are going to answer with the alphabet B.
First question. The sun is a big ball of dash gases.
Burning.
Second. The sun is much dash than the earth.
Bigger.
Third. It is made from flour and yeast. People use it to make sandwiches.
Bread.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet C.
First question. Who sells medicine?
Chemist.
1098 is an important telephone number of?
Side helpline.
Third question. It is yellow or white. It is made from milk. When we heat it, it will melt.
Cheese.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet D.
First question. People who cannot talk or hear are called?
Deaf and dumb.
Second question. We build homes for dash animals.
Domestic.
Smoke makes the air dash.
Dirty.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet E.
First question. Aeroplane is the most dash means of transport.
Expensive.
Second one. This is the slow means of communication.
Envelope.
This is the fast means of communication.
Email.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet F.
First question. Who has long sticky tongue?
Frog.
This is a protective food.
Fruits.
He grows crops for us.
Farmer.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet G.
First question. Dash is a model of the earth.
Globe.
It is not alive, but it has 5 fingers.
Go.
This is the national river of India.
Ganga.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet H.
First one. This is the smallest bird in the world.
Hummingbird.
Second one. A mason builds dash for us to live.
Houses.
Third one. Give opposite word for light.
Heavy.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet I.
First one. Dash is slow means of communication.
Inland letter.
Second one. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called?
An island.
Third one. Dash is the house of Eskimos.
Igloo.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet J.
First one. Who was born on December 25th?
Jesus Christ.
Second one. Wild animals live freely in dash.
Jungle.
Third one. The name of the 5th planet is?
Jupiter.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet K.
First one. This bird has no wings.
Kiwi.
Second one. Do not play with sharp objects like dash.
Knife.
Third one. It have a large tail and big feet. It can hop along very fast. It live in Australia.
Kangaroo.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet L.
First one. We collect dash from rubber tree.
Latex.
Second one. When we go somewhere, we need to know the directions and dash to find the way.
Landmark.
Third one. Houseboat is seen on the dash.
Lakes.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet M.
First one. Dash need less water to grow.
Maize.
Second one. This is a bodybuilding food.
Meat.
Third one. A very high land is called dash.
A mountain.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet N.
First one. Juice is called dash.
Nectar.
Second one. The top of the map shows the.
Earth.
Third one. The people who living around our house are our dash.
Neighbors.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet O.
First one. This is the largest bird in the world.
Ocelot.
Second one. A very big sea is called dash.
Ocean.
Third one. This sea animal has 3 hearts, 8 foots, 9 brains, and the blood is blue in color.
Octopus.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet P.
First one. People buy it to eat but never eat it.
Plate.
Second one. It come in a box. It have many pieces. We put it together to make a picture.
Puzzle.
Third one. This is the national vegetable of India.
Pumpkin.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet Q.
First one. Some people use helicopter to reach a place very dash.
Quickly.
Second one. It is any of the main wing or tail feather of a bird.
Quill.
Third one. In winter season we use this.
Quilt.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet R.
First one. Dash is called means of mass communication.
Radio.
Second one. We should have dash for all the jobs.
Respect.
It have inches and centimeters. It is used to measuring.
Ruler.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet S.
First one. The fastest train in India is the.
Sadafti Express.
Second one. We have dash the nature's gift.
Spoils.
Third one. A small river is called a dash.
Stream.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet T.
First one. This is one of the sense organ dash.
Tongue.
Second one. This is our national animal.
Tiger.
Third one. We should not cut the.
Trees.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet U.
First one. Give opposite for beautiful.
Ugly.
Second one. For school we should wear dash.
Uniform.
Third one. We use it in both the summer and winter season.
Umbrella.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet V.
First one. People who eat only fruits, vegetable and seeds. They are called.
Vegetarians.
Second one. A piece of land between 2 hills or mountains is called dash.
Yeah, valley.
Now what we are taking?
Video.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet W.
First one. First aeroplane invented by dash.
Light brothers.
Second one. Which plant float in water?
Water lily.
Third one. Every dash is important.
Wool.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet X.
First one. Printing methods including acrylic paint is called.
Xerox.
Second one. The image shows the part of your body in black and white.
X-ray.
Third one. This is a music instrument.
Xylophone.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet Y.
First one. Practicing dash is also a way of relaxing our mind.
Yogasans.
Second one. Spun thread used for knitting is called dash.
Yarn.
Third one. A large domestic wild ox with shaggy hair is called.
Yak.
Now you are going to answer with the alphabet Z.
First one. No quantity or number is called.
Zero.
Second one. Cross the road only at the dash.
Zebra crossing.
Third one. You can see some wild animals in dash.
At zoo. Thank you. See you next